Smart Kid, Rich Kid here once again, and it's your boy, Mr. Lawful, on the chat once more. This week, there is a new week, a new moment, a new time to make some money. So let's see, today I'm just going to do a very short video on our 5 pairs that we have been trading so far. Last week was a blast. We won the very nice trades last week. So let's see what this week hold. So we are going to start by analyzing, looking at for the week, what we are supposed to expect on each and every trade for the week. So let's see if we can analyze this trade together. I haven't gone through it. I just want us to go through it together so that we can see how best we can do this. So this is Gbpusd, and today we are going to be looking at the weekly analysis for it. So it's currently on the monthly chart, and as for the monthly chart, as we can see right now, it's in a very clear downtrend. And we are going to, this kind of saying that says that the trend is your friend. We are going to be with the trend. We are not going to trade against the trend. We are going to be with the trend. So this is monthly time frame. I love to trade on a higher time frame because it gives me a lot of edge in the market, a lot of patience in the market. So I stick to the higher time frame. Now, if you can see this, you can see that the trend, the market has been moving all the way down for a very long time. Right now, there is a break over here, and then this is wonderful. This is a wonderful trade. Now, look at what is happening. For the past 3 months after this break of structure, there was a pullback into, always I put my gun toolbox over here to see where I can take possible entries. And as you can see, it is in my best zone, which is the 0.25. That is a very best discount zone that I have over there. That is where I like to put my sell trades, because over here, if the trend must continue, it must continue right from the 0.5, or if it doesn't continue from the 0.5, it goes to the 0.25. Sometimes it goes into the middle of 0 and 0.25. That is fine. It is called trading, it is a probability game. So we just follow the trend, we just follow the market and do what the market is saying. So as you can see, we reach into the 0.5, and then we have been dropping for the last 3 months. For the last 3 months, the market has been dropping massively. So I'm just waiting for this market to close below the 0.5. When it closes below 0.5, then we know that yes, this market is already gone. We have 9 days more to finish this month in, as well as we have 9 days more to finish the last quarter of the year. And as you can see, the quarterly candlestick has fully engulfed. It has fully engulfed this. So, my brother, I'm telling you, this market is going to drop like fire. It's going to drop. So we have a drop right from here straight up onto this point. So if you are new here, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. So if you are entering with us from here, and turn on the notification bell, so that whenever we post a new video, you will be the very first person to get it. So now listen, if you are a position trader and you enter the trade right here, you should be targeting somewhere around here. So that is it. If this market is going to fall, is going to continue to fall, then that is where it is going to continue to fall to. So now that is for position traders. Let's go on onto the swing trading, our swing trading. So the monthly, we already know the market has been falling for consecutively 3 months right now, and it has even engulfed the last 3 months. So let's see what weekly candlestick is telling us in the same range. So the weekly candlestick is telling us that, all right, as you can see, I have been moving up, and this is a break of structure right here. There is a break of structure right here. So I'm going to put that on top. So there is a nice box over here. A nice box over here, as you can see. And then we have our low right from here. Our low. This is the low that broke the structure, not this one. Not this one. This is the low that broke the structure. So if this market has to continue the downtrend, then it needs to break this low. It needs to break this low before we can say the market is fully going to go down. So now this low over here, this other block over here is holding up the price. It's holding up the price for the week. So let's see what is going to happen. Two things are going to happen here. Last week, the previous high, the previous low over here was taken by 2 pips or so. So what does it mean? It simply means that this market can bounce back up from here and then start continuing to the top. Or better still, it will bounce back, come into here because there is a liquidity grabs right here. A lot of liquidities are here. So this market can come back here, grab all those liquidities before dropping, or it can just go up. So let's go a little bit down more and let's see what we can be expecting for this week, because over here on the weekly chart, it seems like it is ranging. It is just ranging, you know. So there is nothing much more better from here. So let's go to the daily. Now on the daily time frame, I'm going to take this out so that it becomes a bit more clearer for us. On the daily time frame, this is what happened. You can see that on the daily time frame, we also have a very clear downtrend market from here. So if this market is going to change direction, I am anticipating that this high should be taken. This high. If this high is taken during the week, then that is it. The market has changed. This particular one, don't mind these vertical lines, they show me what happened during the week. So they are just there to tell me what's happened last week, what happened during the week. So I'm going to put it here. Yeah. So this market, if truly the market is going to continue to move down, if this market has to continue to move down, then this is what is going to happen. This market must start moving down right from here. Right from here. I'm going to zoom it out a bit. Let's zoom this out. Yes. So if this market is supposed to, you know, continue to climb down, then right from here it's supposed to go down. But if it doesn't go down, I am anticipating that this market over here, the market over here should take and break this trend line. Then we can say the market has changed fully for the uptrend. But until then, we still have this other block and this other block to battle. So that is it for GBP USD, which is so simple. Now let's go to 4-hour and let's see. This is where we take our entry. This is where we take our entry. So for the 4-hour, as you can see, we have this huge what is it called? This huge drop over here, and then the inefficiencies were filled. Then the market dropped again. Then it has to come back into the zone again, and then as you can see, this candlestick is telling us that the pressure is still high and this can go down any moment from now. But if it doesn't happen in that case, and then the market opens, if the market opens and we see a huge what is it called, a huge gap around this area, then it means that this market will have to go back up. But if we don't see that, then the market is going to drop like fire. It's going to drop like a knife from you know, whatever number of stairs. So let's this is the what is it called, the weekly analysis um for GBP USD. Now let's go to the next one. I'm tired already. All right, so this is AUD. I don't normally trade AUD. I use AUD as a backup plan for what is it called, GBP. AUD tells me whatever it is that GBP is going to do. So I'm just going to jump to the 4-hour. I'm just going to jump to the 4-hour and see what AUD is saying, because AUD is a very nice what is it called, pair you can trade. It gives me everything that I need to know concerning GBP. You know, when AUD is moving, it moves ahead of what is it called, GBP. So if we are still going to go to the downtrend and AUD still keep falling, then I know that GBP is going to fall as well. That is how I use AUD. So as you can see in this trend, this is what is happening. So on the daily time frame, what are we expecting? We are expecting that this market should continue to drop. It should continue to drop. But in other case, if it breaks above this high, that is why I have kept an alarm here. If the market breaks above this high, then I can boldly say that we are going to be moving up, because all this is what? Liquidity. All this you are seeing here, parabolic liquidity. These are all parabolic liquidities. So AUD shows us what we are going to be doing. So now let's go to BTC. As for BTC, the market is supposed to drop. It is supposed to drop. I don't know why this market is messing things up. The market is supposed to drop. It's supposed to drop like fire. Yeah, that's fire drop. I don't know. So as you can see, the market broke out of what is it called? It broke out of the my channel, went back to retest it. Let's go to the 4-hour. That is where we can see a very nice. So as you can see, it broke down from the, this is the high that we are holding on to. This is a strong high over here. This is a strong high that this market shouldn't break. If this market breaks this high, my brothers and sisters, forget about this market. Forget about it. But now this market, it came back to retest the, and now as you can see, it is dropping. It is dropping heavily. So let's see what will be for this week. Let's see what will happen to be what is it called, Bitcoin this week, because Bitcoin is had to come and fill all these imbalances, all these inefficiencies over here. So let's see what is going to happen. I'm anticipating that this week Bitcoin should hit 90k. It should hit 90k. Yeah, it should drop up to 90k. Then next week we come down to what is it called. So these are opportunities that can make you pass your account. Yeah, if you have any account that you would like to pass. These are the just these 5 pairs that I trade. So, and this is US30. I love US30 because when US30 keeps moving, it moves a lot. I love this pair. I love this pair. So for US30, as we can see on the weekly chart, let's go to the monthly chart first. On the monthly chart, there is a very heavy drop, from the recovering from the push up. And as you can see on the weekly chart, we are coming down, and I have a trend line there that has been touched. It is not only the trend line that was touched, the trend line together with what? An order block right here. There is an order block right here that is also touched. So this order block right here is the one that is keeping the price. It's keeping the price. So US30 is in a critical condition right now. is in a critical condition right now. It can just bounce off from here, or it can just bounce a little bit and then keep falling down. So let's go. So as you can see, if we still want to ride a downtrend, this is the best place to enter the market, because as you can see, market has changed character on this show. This is a fractal character as far as the higher time frame is concerned. Then we had a pullback. This market can do two things in this week. It can just go back and rally up to this level and then drop down, or better still, right from here it can just drop down. So be very mindful. I'll be posting the videos one after the other as the week unfolds. And now let's move on to the next one. The next one, 4-hour candlestick. For, as you can see on the 4-hour time frame, this huge drop over here caused a stir in the market, and therefore it needs to be refilled. So, and that is what has happened. And now we broke through our equilibrium 0.5. We nearly got to this part of the market. So if this market continues and break this high, then we shall know that we are moving higher and higher up. So that is it. That is it for US30. Let's go to almighty gold. I have been selling gold for a while now. And as you can see, we are still selling gold. We're still gonna sell gold. So let's look at the weekly chart for gold. Let's look for the weekly chart for gold. Look at this. So I have put gold in this triangle, and I'm just waiting patiently for a break here, a retest there. Then we move to take all these parabolic liquidities into these zones over here. Then before we can move back up, it is a simple thing. It is very, very simple to just wait before you enter the market. That is the only way you can enter the market. I am not giving out any strategy right now because I'm going to have time to be teaching that. But for now, this is just a weekly outlook. A weekly outlook. So let's see. On a 4-hour chart, as you can see, we already pull back. We already pull back into our massive whatsoever drop, and now the market is ready to bump, to drop. So this market is ready to drop, and we are waiting for it tomorrow to see what the market is going to be doing. So when you go to 1 hour, 1 hour speaks a lot. So as you can see, 1 hour, we were doing a lot of rally to fill all the inefficiencies. Now, this is what is going to be happening in 1 hour. There is a break of structure here. So we can take this as a pullback into these zones. Then we move back up higher. You get it? That is why I don't like trading with the lower time frame, because there is a lot of noise. So what do? We just wait patiently. So if this market, I am already in this trade. So if this thing goes against me, takes away this my stop loss, if my stop loss get hit this week, then I know that the market has changed. But if not, I am holding onto profit or stop loss. So that is it with our 5 our 5 pairs that we'll be looking at for this week. These are the 5 pairs that we'll be looking out for this week. So without much being wasted, subscribe to the channel and make sure you join our Telegram and our WhatsApp group, because that is where I'll be dropping everything that I'll be doing on the chart, or the outlook. I can give you a fair outlook on the weekly chart, but then when it comes to the day trading, there is a lot of things that you can get. So please make sure that you go into the description box and also get that what is it called? Get the link to our group and make sure you join us there. Thank you.